Hello everyone and welcome back to another video tutorial for Dynamo scripting. In this section I'm going to show you how to calculate sill height from floor. That's because in some projects floors are not aligned to the levels and the built-in parameter that calculates sill height is not corresponding the actual value of sill height from floor. As you can see in the image, sill height in the green rectangle is already calculated, which is corresponding to the level, but we need to calculate sill height from floor. So we need to use Dynamo script, and I'm gonna be showing you how to use it with Dynamo player as well. To store the new value sill height from floor, we need to create a new shared parameters. I'm gonna be showing you how to create a new shared parameter as well. I use Revit 2024 and Dynamo. So without further ado, let's jump in. I have already placed some window family as a whole on the wall here, as you can see, with different dimensions. So what we are looking for is the height from floor, this code here. But as you can see from the default parameter of the window category, we can't find this value inside the parameters here. So what I'm going to do is put some dimensions here to see what we've got from the floor and a built-in parameter of the windows. For example, if I select the window here, which is my hole on the wall, I have actually the sill height already calculated. All right, and if I go and select my floor over here, I have height offset from level already calculated. So the difference between these two values, I'm gonna have actually my dimensions height from floor. All right, but we need to store this value in some parameters, but we don't have that parameter. To be able to tag that this value, actually we need to go to create a shared parameter. So let's do this. I'm gonna actually activate my shared parameter editors, and here I've already created the group under Windows category, and I'm gonna actually create a new parameter and name it sill height from floor. And I'm gonna leave all the data here as they are, like data type and discipline, and hit OK. Okay, and we need to apply that parameter to the window category. So let's create new parameter, select from the shared parameters, and sill height from floor. I'm gonna search for windows, and as an instance, and I'm gonna group this under constraints and hit OK. And now if I select my family here, I'm gonna have my new parameters so that I can actually store my value in this. So now let's start with Dynamo. So first of all, we need to select our families, both windows and my floor, from which I'm going to calculate actually this height here. So let's bring out a node, select model elements, and I'm gonna rename these to select whole families. I need another one for my floor family. Select floor family. And now I'm gonna write down my actually new parameter, which was sill height from floor. These are basically my inputs which I need to actually select to be able to operate other calculations. And then I'm gonna select element dot get parameter value by name. From this node I'm gonna have two of these node here, and let's bring out another code block because I'm gonna actually grab the value of those default parameters. So they were first of all sill height from the window family and height offset from level for the floor family. So this should be for the elements parameter, and here I'm gonna have my element as a floor and its parameter as a second input. All right, now I'm gonna actually operate the difference between those values. So I can easily use the code block and have connected those values as a input. And the second node I'm gonna have math dot round with digits and integer slider to set it to 1. Now there is a famous node to actually insert the parameter values inside the values element dot set, if I get it right, set parameter by name. Yeah. So the parameter name is this one here, the new shared parameters that we have just already created, and the elements are our window as a whole family, and the values is the values that we calculated over here. So what we need is to go and select our families. But before that, to select all the families all together, I can actually let me just bring it back my wall here. To select all the windows together, I can temporarily hide my wall here. All right, to be able to select all the windows all at once. So the first input is to select whole families. As you can see, all the Revit grays out. It means that I can select the families here. And here is my 3 elements. And I'm gonna select the floor from which I'm going to calculate the sill height, which is this one. think I haven't got that. Let me select this again. Cool, I have actually selected my floor family as well. And now if I go and hit run, let's take a look at the parameter here. As you can see, we have actually inserted the calculated height from the floor. Let's examine this from the elevation. For example, if I go and select this family here, as you can see, 2,830 as a height from the floor, and we inserted inside the actually this parameter here. If I select the other one here and let me just code this one again, as you can see, this is the actual calculated value for these parameters for these families. Actually, this would be the same for the other ones. For example, let's repeat the operation for the other families like these ones, and go back to the Dynamo and select the floor and hit run. We should be able to see the calculated values. Alright, in the next step I'm gonna show you how to use this script inside Dynamo player. Now, to be able to use the Dynamo script inside Dynamo player, we need to make some changes inside Dynamo itself. So let me do this here. Actually, what you need to do is to set these two select whole families as an input, and the other one as well, and save this whatever you want, and close the Dynamo script. I'm gonna open Dynamo player. It's gonna take a bit time. Alright, let's add the directory here where I saved my Dynamo script, which was my on the desktop. That's just okay. Alright, as you can see, it appears here. To be able to actually set the values and select the families, we need to run the script here. As you can see, it appears to select floor family and select whole families. So if I adjust my view so that we can actually select the families easily, I'm gonna select the floor family, which is this one. As you can see, total elements equals 1, and select whole families from this input, and I'm gonna select the I have selected the 3 elements, and if I run the script, as you can see, the Dynamo player actually calculates the values and inserts the value inside this parameter over here. So we can repeat this process once more for this one. As you can see here, actually I have just calculated these ones here. It doesn't matter, but it works equally for all the families again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day.